Yes, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Mathematical Room. So in our today's lecture we are going to find the different kinds of values as I have written three questions as number one is at 2 sine 60 cos 60, number two is 2 cos pi over 6 and sine pi over 6, and then number three 2 sine 45 degrees plus 2 cos 45 degrees. So we have to evaluate these three questions. As we have studied about the trigonometric ratios in our last lecture, that we have made the table of the trigonometric ratios are 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degrees. So if you want to see that how we have found the trigonometric ratios, or how we had made the table of the trigonometric ratios, so just watch my last video so you can understand that how can we make the table and to find the trigonometric ratios of the different angles such as 0 degree, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees. So in our today's lecture we are going to evaluate these three questions that I have already written in front of you. So first we will take this question. The number one is as given: 2 sine 60 cos 60. So what we will have to do, that we have to evaluate these trigonometric ratios of degrees 60s. So we have to put the values of the trigonometric ratios of the sine 60 and cos 60 and then evaluate or to simplify the given answer. So if you remember, I have told you that we have to remember or to learn these values by heart, that we are not using the calculator to solve these ratios, trigonometric ratios that as given in the form of sine 60 degree and cos 60 degree. So we should know that what is the value of sine 60 and what is the value of cos 60. So from the table that we have made yesterday in our last lecture, so we are going to put the values or trigonometric ratios of sine 60 and cos 60. So sine 60 is equals to under root 3 over 2 and sine 60 is under root 3 over 2 and cos 60 is 1 over 2. So these are the trigonometric ratios that we have found and made a table in my last lecture. So with the help of this lecture or with table that we have put the trigonometric ratios and then after evaluate these expressions. So now simply we have to evaluate that this 2 will be cancelled with this one. These all are multiplying with each other. So it's very simple simplification, that this 2 will be cancelled this one, and then under root 3 will multiply by under root 3, then will become as under root 3 divided by 2. So that's the simple way, that's the simple answer that we have found if we have put the trigonometric ratios of sine 60 and cos 60. So that's the easiest way of simplification. So now in our second question, that second question is given as 2 cos pi over 6. So you remember that I have told you that pi is considered as 180 degrees in the trigonometric ratios. So cos pi over 6 and sine pi over 6. So that is showing the trigonometric ratios of 30 degrees, because if you divide 180 by 6, then it will be equal to 30. So pi over 6 means 30. So cos 30 and sine 30, we have to check the trigonometric ratios of the cos 30 and sine 30. So cos 2 into this 2 will be written as it is, and cos 30 and sine 30, we will put the value of under root 3 divided by 2, and sine 30 will be equals to 1 over 2. So if you see the combination, or you compare these two questions, so the sine 60 and the sine 30, sine 60 and sine 30, and cos 60 and cos 30, when we simplify these two different kind of questions, so the answer will be same. So this 2 will be cancelled this one, so we got the answer as under root 3 will multiply with the 1, so and 2 in the denominator. So under root 3 over 2 is the answer when we evaluate this 2 into cos pi over 6 and sine pi over 6. So cos pi over 6 means cos 30 and sine 30. So the cos 30 equals to under root 3 over 2, and sine 30 is equal to 1 over 2. So that's the way we can simplify these kind of questions. So now we are going to simplify the third one. The third one is saying that 2 sine 45 plus 2 cos 45. So evaluate this thing by putting the value of sine 45 and cos 45. So this 2 will become as it is, 2 into value of our trigonometric ratios of sine 45 is equals to 1 over under root 2 plus 2 into cos 45 is the same value as sine 45, so that will become as 1 over under root 2. So now we have to simplify this expression, so that we got the different ways that we can simplify these things. So if you see, by taking the square root, LCM of this expression, or if you see that will be written as 2 divided by under root 2 plus 2 divided by under root 2. So 2 under root will be taken as the LCM. So this will become 2 plus 2 is equals to 4 over under root 2, and this 4 can be written as 2 into 2 divided by under root 2. So in the next step, that you can write this thing as 2 raised to power 1 over 2. So it means now the bases are same, so this 2 will become as it is, and now the bases are same, and this one is raised to power 1 and this one is raised to power 1 over 2. So they are dividing with each other, so that will be the powers will be subtracted with each other. So when you subtract half 1 over 2 from 1, so that will become as 2 raised to power 1 minus 1 over 2. That will become 2 into 2 raised to power 1 over 2, and that can be written as 2 into under root 2. So that's the answer. That we can directly write this answer after this step, but I have explained that how can we write this answer after this step. So that's the way we can simplify these kind of questions. So I will take some more examples in my coming lecture. So please try to watch the videos and try to understand that how can we solve these kind of questions in the easiest way. Hopefully you will understand that how we can evaluate these kind of trigonometric ratios after putting the values. Inshallah, I will see you in my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. तब तक के लिए इजाज़त दीजिए। खुदा हाफिज़।